Okay, so my goal today for science on this lovely Monday, April the 6th, I just wanted to go over some things for your test tomorrow. You need to make sure that you know your review sheet. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of walk through that. I thought about doing stuff on the board, but really just go ahead and make sure you have your review sheet in front of you and just listen as Miss Harrison goes through it, okay? So you're going to need to know the two things that makes a fish, and that is your gills and your fins, all right? You need your gills to breathe with and your fins to swim with. The different types of fins, I had a couple of you do the video for me, and you told me what each of the fins did. You labeled them, you pointed to them, and you did a really good job on that. Not everybody did that. Most everybody just sent me a picture of your fish, which is fine because on your turn-in sheet for your moms, I didn't really clarify that very well. So I didn't count off for that. But those that knew what each of the fins did, you'll already know that for the test, okay? So you need to know the dorsal and the anal keep the fish from falling over. The dorsal is also used to protect the fish. The pectoral and the pelvic fins allow the fish to move in the direction that it wants to go. It helps it turn. And the caudal is what pushes the fish forward in the water. All right, so as long as you know what each of them do, it's probably going to be like matching, okay? I'll have what the fins do on one side and the names of the fins on another, and you're going to have to match them. Okay, put the correct letter to it. Okay, the shapes of a fish. You need to know that the fusiform is for speed, like a shark. So if you need to put shark down there for a fusiform. Eel-like is ribbon-shaped, and you need to know that is for eels. Depressed shape, and two eyes on one side. That's like the flounder. And then I don't have the one for compressed on there. That's when they have an eye on each side, and that would be like your angelfish. So if you wanted to put angelfish next to it, you can do that. And then you need to know the ways that a fish defends itself. You can camouflage. You need to know that that means it blends in with the surroundings. Counter shading, when it's light on the bottom and dark on top, so that it blends into its for its predators. Advertising, bright colors to warn predators of sharp quills and poisonous spines. And then schools of fish are used to confuse the predator. So you need to know what each of those are. And probably, again, there'll probably be a lot of matching on this test. And then stages of life, you're going to need to know the order of them. So be able to tell mom and go through egg, larval, post-larval, juvenile, adult. Okay, and then so that when you're reading it, I'll probably have it like a multiple choice, and you'll pick the one that's in the right order, all right? So that's pretty much your science. Remember, we are to be fishers of men, and to have, even at home, we can still find ways to be fishers of men and to be a light for him. So I encourage you to do that, and don't just keep your nets hung up to dry and not in use. How can you still be a light for the Lord and to go out and witness to others and want to draw others to him? So hopefully you're having a good day, and I can't wait to see you on Zoom. All right.